So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take your device, you're gonna place the screen facing down, and you're gonna have this back end pointing up. You're gonna put your non-sterile gel on top of this, and then you're gonna put on your sterile gloves. Inside your kit, you're gonna have a few different things. The first thing you're gonna wanna take, this is our cover. Most important thing is you wanna have this facing down. Place this over the probe. You're gonna hold on to this tab, then you're gonna grab the top end, which is gonna be your covered portion, and you're gonna grab just the tab portion, and you're gonna pull it around. And this is gonna form a film over this. You're then just gonna pull the tab, and it's gonna rip just the top portion. You don't need this anymore. You're gonna see this white portion right here. This is our sticker. We're gonna take this off, and then you're gonna take this portion and you're gonna fold it back over itself. And this will allow it to stick onto the back. After that, you're gonna put your gel on this, and you're gonna place your Locator needle guide, which is also in the pack. The long end is gonna be facing upwards. You're gonna push down firmly, and you're gonna feel it click into place. After that, you're set up to start scanning.